Google Chromecast, a product of Google, and this is the third iteration of the top-notch streaming device, which works from any smart device or PC to the big screen. In a nutshell, this device turns any ordinary screen with an HDMI input into a smart TV with a large catalog of supported apps and services. And it enables you to stream any content from your device to your TV wirelessly and with minimum lag. More into that later. It was first introduced back in 2013, and the latest third generation supports video resolutions of up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. But first, the unboxing. This device comes packaged with a minimalist fashion and really shows the Google style of delivery, just like any other Google product. First, you will find the device itself. The difference here is the lack of the magnet backing that came with the second gen. The obvious part here is the HDMI cable. In the bottom you will find also the micro USB power port. Inside the box there's a standard 5V USB wall adapter along with a 1m USB cable. Else you can find some warranty and paperwork. Connecting the Chromecast is straightforward. All you need is nothing but a 5V USB source along with an available HDMI input on the TV itself. You can use the standard USB port on the back of the TV as well as a power source. At startup, we can notice the device is asking for the Google Home app to be installed on a smartphone to complete the setup with the local Wi-Fi network, and adding other information about the device like the name and some other stuff. This app is available for Android and iOS device, and it's considered as a central hub for all smart Google devices around the house. For example, Google Home Smart Speaker. Activating the Chromecast takes a few steps on the phone, and after that we're ready to roll. You can customize a few settings like displaying the time and temperature, in addition to new ambient mode, which displays relevant wallpapers on the TV while it's in idle mode, in a screensaver kind of way. After that, the device is ready and you can stream any video content or pictures, slideshow from virtually any multimedia app or service. YouTube, Netflix and many video players are considered native to this device in playback capabilities. Screen mirroring mode is now somehow buried inside the Home app, and you can reach it via the profile page inside the app and pressing on the mirror device. This works much better than the option that came with the device in my case, with virtually no lag and perfect sync in audio and video. And when you want to display content from your desktop or laptop, this can be achieved using the Chrome browser. On the top right corner, reach for the 3 vertical dots, and from the cast menu you can start casting from the tab you're in, or you can cast the whole desktop if you are in need to stream anything other than what's shown on the browser itself. This comes very handy as in quickly casting from the laptop without the need for physically attaching or hooking any cables between the device and the TV. This was very useful for me, as I usually like to play back video files from my laptop with applications that were not supported by Chromecast. Moreover, browsing the web on the big screen is always favored compared to the laptop screen in case of more than one person looking at the same thing. In conclusion, this device with its third gen has lots of handy features and surpasses many other devices on the market if you're into streaming services. I hope you liked this video, and it would be great for me if you could rate it. Subscribing to this channel means the world to me, and it lets me know that you exist out there. If you got any question regarding this device, feel free to write it down in the comments box below. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.